Welcome to our tutorial on how to see float in Thinkorswim. Float is an important metric for investors and traders as it indicates how many shares of a stock are available for trading. Understanding float can help you make informed decisions when investing in stocks. To start, open the Thinkorswim platform and log into your account. Once you are inside, navigate to the Market Watch tab located on the left side of the screen. Here, you can create a watch list or use an existing one. If you want to analyze a particular stock, type in the stock symbol in the search bar. Next, you will need to customize the columns displayed within your watch list. Right-click on the column header and select Customize. In the Customization menu, look for the Float option. Once you find it, add it to your selected columns and click OK. You should now see the float information displayed alongside other relevant data for each stock in your watch list. Finally, if you wish to view float data for a stock not in your watch list, you can do so by clicking on the Charts tab. Enter the stock symbol, and once the chart is displayed, select the Fundamentals option, which is located in the top right corner. Here, you can find the float data along with other key metrics for the stock. That's it. Now you know how to see float in Thinkorswim.